Good evening. Welcome to post-match presentation. Today the match played between the two teams, Gale NCR versus RTC 11. And Gale NCR won the toss and decided to bat first. They made 122 runs on the opposite side. RTC 11 made this score in just 14.3 over, loss of 2 wickets and won this match by 8 wickets. Huge victory won by RTC 11. Now it's time to announce the four best player of the match. Before announcing the name of the four best player award, we'll take the sponsored name. This tournament sponsored by GoClick Premium Corporate Gifting Solution provided from past 10 years, sponsored by Tamta Copper Bottle. Now it's time to announce the name of the category that we have a fighter of the match award, and it goes to Mr. Ankur Saini. He made 30 run, 26 deliveries, 3-4 he hit in their inning, and 2.3 over. He gave 31 runs and took 1 wicket. Now a fighter of the match award, Mr. Ankur Saini.
कैप थोड़ी ऊपर
ये उधर से लेते थे
ठीक है
As a fighter of the match, thank you so much. And next up category we have best bowler of the match award, and it goes to Mr. Abhishek Chaudhary. In their 4-over spell, he took 5 wickets. He just gave 15 runs. Mr. Abhishek Chaudhary is the best bowler of the match award.
पीछे से ले ले ये वाली किसी पे नहीं होगी पीछे वाली
Batsman award of this match goes to Mr. Dev Manus Dev.
असुर योनि के देव
Dev made 50 run half century in this match in just 39 ball. He hit 8-4 and 0-6 in this match. And Mr. Dev is the best batsman of this match. Now the final and most awaited award we have, and it man of the match award goes to Mr. Abhishek Chaudhary. Again, as we announced before, Mr. Abhishek Chaudhary in their 4-over spell just given 15 runs and took 5 wickets. Now we have some question with Abhishek Chaudhary. Abhishek, what would you like to say about your performance in this match and the victory credit? You want to take the any bowler name or batsman name?
As I said, like I kept things simple today, like line and length, and credit goes to my team, like they all supported and keeper. So yeah.
Is there any strategy for upcoming match you have in your bowling style?
No, we will keep it simple. So line and length, that's all.
Okay, thank you so much, and best of luck for your upcoming match. Thank you so much, Mr. Abhishek Chaudhary. Now, I would like to call the runner team captain, Mr. Rachit Matan. Rachit, simply very disappointed with your team effort today. As per your expectation, team is not good on there. What would you like to say about your team performance and this specifically match?
We have no words actually. The execution was highly poor. We did not. We actually gave our wickets ourselves. I mean, there was nothing very strong on the wicket or something, but all the batsmen gave their own wickets, including myself. We did not respect our own wicket. So that is one thing we have to work on. And bowlers also did not bowl to the line and length to which the field was set. So I think there's a lot to work on. We are playing after a very, very long time. I think it's more than a year. So that says a lot. But it's good that we are on field. We could manage to get 16 players on the field after 1 year. So that is a big achievement for us. And I hope if we continue, I think people will get in the groove and start playing their natural own 100% game.
Is there any specific message you want to convey with your teammates?
I think everyone is experienced enough. They all know what they have to do. They just have to do it. So I think we'll maybe do a couple of net session or whenever we find them. Life is busy. We all know everyone's life is busy. So all we do is come here and play the match directly. But maybe if we can warm up, do some nets bowling, maybe just 10, 15, 20 balls before the match or something like that, that can get in the groove. It's been more than a year, like I said. So that's not an excuse, but I think this match should hurt us well.
Definitely it hurts because when we face the huge defeat by opponent, one message for opponent actually.
I think they played very disciplined cricket, very good cricket, good sportsmanship. We loved playing there with them on the field. Thank you so much. Line and lane, lot of bowlers, a couple of bowlers. The slower balls were wonderfully bowled. They really deceived us a lot, and a couple of guys really moved the ball as well. So very well bowled. The batsmen, I think we did not go to the depth of their batting. The four of them finished the game for us, but. Well played. Thank you so much.
One last question, not question. It's a feedback to our organizers. They especially request they want to have feedback about this tournament or match.
I think it's the first match, very well managed. It's a beautiful ground. We'd love to come here and play 4 more league matches, which we have. So we love the field. The outfield is great. The weather is great to play in there this time of the year. After a couple of months, I think it won't be that good with a lot of humidity and things. So I think it's great to come here and play. There's no complaints about the field, pitch and everything. The scoring should be there for 150, 180 plus runs should be there. So it's great cricket to play on. Great conditions.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rachit Madan, captain of GAIL NCR. Now it's time to announce the today most great captain announcing before match, and we can say that person of Baba of today, Mr. Heminder Singh. Mr. Heminder Singh, captain of RTC, what would you like to say about the victory today, and what message you want to convey with your opponent and teammates?
I will start with my opponents first. They are a very good team. Okay, it seems like today is not their day, but I can easily pick out because we are also, playing cricket from the long time now, and we can easily pick out if, the opponents are,